Hindi siya bouncy, no? Kasi yung ano, bouncy.
Is this just EV?
Hybrid.
No, I mean what we're driving in right now.
Both. 90 na yan, ano mo, hindi natin ramdam. $90 anak. Naka 90 na tayo.
Yes,
Have, I have mo.
Yes.
EV first.
And then we'll just go through.
Yung 300 lang monthly nito. 600 yung binabayaran. Magkano kaya yung ano yung MG Pilot na yan? Speed limit, optimal speed. May light ba? Meron din.
Not that much.
Oh, meron. May sat up to. May massage na yata to eh. Tingnan natin, may massage naman. Alam ko may massage din to eh. May ano, ambulance ba? Ayan, massage. Start massage. Driver lang. Passenger, meron din. Ayos ah. Bilis. Bouncy hindi, no?
Not as much.
Not as much compared dun sa isa, no?